like I did when I was actually studying for the PMP. Because when I went to go study for the PMP, I went so deep. I was trying to learn everything. I was picking up materials from different aspects, meaning I was getting different books because I wanted to understand the questions. I wanted to understand not even only the questions but the material. I haven't even jumped in my content yet. I'm just, I don't know if I'm on a rant or what. So again, I ask for forgiveness right now. But what I'm saying to you, family, is that we can't get caught up in the belief of, hey, I've gotten my PMP. I went to this boot camp and I got my PMP, and then we put all the material aside and we don't do anything further. And then we're frustrated when we're at job interviews and they're asking us basic questions and we're unable to answer them. And they're like, wait, isn't this person a PMP? They should know how many knowledge areas there are. And I understand, family. There's sometimes there's people in roles and positions that I'm not going to say that doesn't deserve to be there. I'm not going to say that I don't know how they got there or they should. I'm not even going to go down that path. But it's up to us. As I stated before, we can't be a victim in a situation when we have the resources, we have the references.